Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model a very simple and basic desk in Blender. Very simple desk, anybody can model it with basic shapes. I'm going to model it in Blender. So let's start. First, I'm going to add one box cube, and then I'm going to scale it little bit like this in this direction, and scale it like this, and keep it here, and press Ctrl Shift D to duplicate, and press Z to move it here and then rotate it 90 degree. Or and then keep it here like this. Move it here and here, and go in vertex mode. Click and drag vertex here like this, and then again press Shift D, press Y and click it here, and again press Shift D, press Y, keep it here. Go in edit mode, select all this vertex, move it little bit here like this, and then again select this box, origin to normal, press Shift D, press Y, click it here, and scale it little bit like this, and scale it little bit like this, and just keep it here like this. If you want, you can also scale it little bit like this again, and keep it here like this. Go to face mode, select this face and click it here like this. So we have something like this. Now add one torus, click it here, go in Y mode, Z mode, and then again go in vertex mode, select all this vertex, move it little bit here like this. Okay, wait, turn on the X-ray mode, select all the vertex, move it little bit like this, and then scale it little bit, and with the move tool keep it here like this. Put it here like this. Press Shift D, Z, press Ctrl R to repeat. We have something like this. And now select this, press Shift D, and then rotate it like this, and then move it little bit here like this. Click on this face and move it little bit here like this. If you want, you can also select this face and make it little bit thinner like this. Select this face, move it little bit here like this. This is very simple and basic desk model. Anyone can model this type of desk. Okay, What now? What now? What now? Go in edit mode. Select this. Okay, now for texture, I'm going to select this. Shift, select this. Shift, select this. Press Ctrl J, and then I'm going to press U, U, and unwrap. Okay. Go in again. Select this. Go in texture mode. Add new texture. It will take some time. Okay. Go in image texture and select our texture. Go in edit. Okay, so this is our desk. If you want to tile this desk texture, if you want, you can also press Shift D. Select all the Control J. Go in shading mode. Here, what you do is press Shift A and search mapping, and again press Shift A, search texture coordinate. Or U it to vector, vector to vector, and then if you want, you can scale this little bit like this. Go in layout. So this is our desk, very simple desk ready. Let me choose the white color of a background, very light. Go in sunlight, type 7, So that's it, friend. Here is our simple desk model and texture in Blender. Anyone can model this type of desk. This is very simple desk. Let me render this for our thumbnail. I will render it like this. Okay, image, save image. So I will JPG, name as JPG, and I will name it desk. I will name as desk. So that's it, friend. This is our final render. This is our final render. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.